like to conclude this with a poem. It's a poem that is familiar with us in law enforcement. It's not familiar in the public. It's a poem that I have read numerous times at funerals where officers had fell in the line of duty. Several of my friends. One young officer I trained. It is called The Final Inspection. It is written by an unknown author. The policeman stood and faced his God, which must always come to pass. He hoped his shoes were shining just as brightly as his brass. Step forward now, policeman. How shall I deal with you? Have you always turned the other cheek? To my church have you been true? The policeman squared his shoulders and said, no, Lord, I guess I ain't. Because those of us that carry badges can't always be a saint. I had to work most Sundays, and at times my talk was tough, and sometimes I've been violent, because the streets are awfully rough. But I never took a penny that wasn't mine to keep, though I worked a lot of overtime when the bills got steep. I never passed a cry for help, though at times I shook with fear. And sometimes, God forgive me, I wept unmanly tears. I know I don't deserve a place among the people here. They never wanted me around, except to calm their fears. If you have a place for me here, Lord, you need to be so grand. I never expected to have too much, but if you don't, I understand. There was silence all around the throne, where the saints have often trod. As a policeman waited quietly for the judgment of his God. Step forward now, policeman. You won your burdens well. Come walk a beat on my heaven streets. You've done your time in hell. Your Honor, thank you. I submit to your judgment.
Thank you so much. Judges by definition.